Northwest High School in Grand Island got rid of its journalism program back in June. It happened after an edition of the paper was published covering LGBTQ topics.
Though the school district has not confirmed if that was the reasoning for the elimination, Channel 8's Matthew Mitleiter spoke to the ACLU on whether or not it could be censorship.
The journalism program at Northwest High School in Grand Island was eliminated earlier this summer in what some have speculated as an act of censorship. After 54 years of publication, the paper was canceled, with its final issue covering several LGBTQIA+ topics and information about Pride Month. After the last issue had been published, staff and students of the journalism program were notified their program was being eliminated just a few days later. Claims about issues with the editorial content had supposedly been made by the school board and superintendent following the last issue. Northwest High School has not confirmed to the media why exactly the program was eliminated, but the ACLU of Nebraska says that if the paper was canceled because of concerns about LGBTQ content, that it could be considered discrimination.
It is so important that students are encouraged to think and grow and learn, and when those opportunities are stifled, especially when people are doing it because they don't like LGBTQ people, it's really a sad day for journalism in our state.
Rip says the Supreme Court has been very clear on this issue and that schools cannot discriminate based on views they dislike or disagree with. In the 1974 case of Miami Herald Publishing Company versus Tornillo, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that the freedom for print media to determine its own editorial content is protected by the Constitution.
The situation here is very similar to that, which is they published an edition of the newspaper, the school board did not like it, and they took action based on their dislike of it.
Rip said the best outcome for this situation would be for the Northwest Public School District to reinstate the journalism program, as well as developing policies around LGBTQ students to protect their safety and their rights to be free from discrimination. She says if any student is in a situation where they think they are being discriminated against, the best thing to do is fight back.
Push back, reach out to organizations, including the media. Being a student journalist is an honor and a privilege, and there are so many people in all walks of life who were student journalists, and these stories resonate with them. Share these stories. Do not just let it happen.
Reporting in Lincoln, this is Matthew Mitleiter, Channel 8 News.
And we did reach out to the Nebraska GOP and the Nebraska Family Alliance for comment, but they were unable to get back to us.